You're welcome to Law and Property with Dr. Prince Joel, your real estate investment coach. On this channel, you will be learning everything you need to know about law and property, real estate transactions, investment, due diligence, management. If these interest you, click the button below and subscribe. On today's topic, we will be discussing irrevocable power of attorney. I'm sure you remember the meaning of irrevocable power of attorney. That very document that is used in transferring interest, ownership of a property from the current owner to the new owner. That document that is used in perfecting title on land. That very document that you find in the eastern states and some other states in Nigeria. We will be discussing irrevocable power of attorney. What are the contents of an irrevocable power of attorney? Before we go into that, remember that this document is only prepared by a lawyer. The lawyer must have a seal on the cover page of this document, must be signed by a lawyer, and must have the MBA seal with the current year of the transaction. It is not for non-lawyers. If a non-lawyer should prepare this document or sign this document, that becomes impersonation, and upon conviction, you can find yourself in jail. And so, take note that this document is prepared by lawyers alone. For the purpose of education, we will be looking at the content of this document. One of the things you find in an irrevocable power of attorney is commencement. Commencement usually is at the beginning, and you find it, this irrevocable power of attorney is made -day -month 2021. The second thing you will find in an irrevocable power of attorney is the parties. This clause explains who the donor is and in favor of the donee. So the name of the donor, the address of the donor, the same applies to the donee, the name of the donee, and the address of the donee. The two constitute the parties. Number 3, the recital. The recital gives a brief explanation, history, background, the root of the property that is being donated. It spells out the details, the description, all put together explains the root title of the property that is being donated. The next is the operative part. The operative part is broken down in different segments. In the operative part, you'll find the consideration that will talk about the amount in word and in figure of the property that is being donated. You'll find the indemnity clause. You'll find the actual word donating the property to the donee. You'll find the covenants. All this put together, you'll find within the operative clause. Immediately after the operative part, you also find the covenant, which talks about the real property that is being donated. The next one you'll find is the execution clause. The execution clause covers the signature and the witness. And this is the signature of the donor donating to the donee and the witness thereof. These two constitute the execution clause. And that is the last part of an irrevocable power of attorney. With this, I'm very sure that you understand the content of an irrevocable power of attorney. Remember that this document is prepared by a lawyer. No other person is authorized to prepare an irrevocable power of attorney. It must have the name of the lawyer, the address of the lawyer, the details of the lawyer. The lawyer's seal, MBA seal, must be on that document. The year of the transaction must be on that seal. Now that you understand irrevocable power of attorney and the content therein, if you do need one, please consult a lawyer. This is where we come to the end of today's topic. I'm sure you enjoyed it. On this channel, we upload videos every week. Click the button below to get notification anytime a new video is uploaded. Remember, Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. I remain your favorite real estate investment coach. My name is Dr. Prince Joel.